Student, in your previous video you learnt about tax and then how the tax is being calculated on the mark price and all that we discussed about. Let us implement into some of the exercises so that we will understand better. So I have taken question number 4C. Question number 1 I have taken, and you have to find out the final price where mark price and the tax percentage is given to you. I have taken under that question number 5th one. So a luxury van was there whose mark price was 26 lakh rupees and tax is 28%. See, this is the mark price. Above this 28% of this amount also will be added. That means 28% of this, that will be the tax amount plus 26 lakh. So what will be the final amount? So mark price of the van will be 26 lakh rupees. Tax is equal to 28%. Therefore amount of tax will be 28% of 26 lakh. That is 28 divided by 100 into 26 lakh. That will become 7,28,000. The tax amount itself will become 7,28,000. See, for 26 lakhs rupees item, you will have to see for the luxury goods how much is the tax amount. Think of 7,28,000 rupees tax amount he has to pay to purchase a van of 26 lakh. Now the final amount will become then the van cost plus tax amount, that is 26 lakh plus 7,28,000, that will become 33 lakh 28,000. This will be the final cost. One customer has to pay this much amount only to get that van. It is not that where the van cost he will pay and take the van away. Government amount of 7,28,000 also has to be paid. That is the final amount. Okay, you can solve other sum also this way. Now the question number 2 is said to you 5% tax is included in the price. The price before the tax is what? See, I have taken question number 4th one. A calculator was calculator was paid for rupees 520, but in this amount 5% tax is also included. So we want to know what was the amount before. So what you need to do, you do not know the amount before, so let that amount be x. Very simple. The price before the tax be x. Fine. So amount after 5% tax will be what? In terms of x, after 5% tax with x will be what? X plus 5% of x. X plus 5% of x. That you have calculated. So x plus 5% is 5x by 100. So 105x by 100. That is 21x by 100 will be the amount after 5% tax. This is in terms of x. That amount is only this. So that is equal to rupees 520. So 21 x by 20 is equal to 508.20. If you calculate, x will become little calculation is there. 508 into 20 into 20, that 20 will go that side quotient. Then 20 will be cut with, see, point I have removed with multiplying denominator 100. Then 20 will go with 100, 5. So this 5 remains here. 5 will cut this amount 50820, that will become 10164. Then again 21 will cancel, 21 will go with 484. So the calculator before the tax amount was 484. 484 is the money that was before the tax. Okay, that is what we will to find out. Question number 2, other sum you can do it. I have taken question number 4. This exercise sums are very simple. See, what is the question number 4 said? I have directly solved it. So question number 4 is said, Minu bought a pair of sandals with rupees 2,576. So one pair of sandal was costing 2,576 and including tax, this including tax, and then his mark price was this 2,300. So very obviously tax will be, if you subtract this, that will be the amount of tax, which is the mark price. So his tax was 2,576 minus 2,300. Actually this was the cost price. Then seller thought that I will give some reduction so that the sale will be more. So he has made a mark price 2,300. So that if you subtract it, you will find out the tax amount. The tax amount was rupees 276. Okay, fine. But you need to find in this case, the rate of tax. No problem. Let the rate of tax be x%. Could you understand? So X% of MP, tax will be levied on a mark price only. So X% of MP is equal to this. X% of MP is equal to this. The amount is this, no? So therefore X% of MP is equal to this, mark price equal to this, X by 10, X% means X by 10 into MP is how much? 2300. 2300 is equal to this. Find out the value of X. So that will become 276 divided by this 100, 20 will be cancelled, that will be 23, that will become 12. So X is equal to 12, so rate of tax percentage will be 12%. Okay, fine, very simple sums here. Then I have solved another sum from this exercise, that is question number 6. Question number 6 said to you the mark price of a mobile phone is 45,000 rupees. It is offered a discount of 7%. Once again discount. So you rush to purchase. I know that with the name of discount, with the name of Chitra sale, you all go for purchasing, especially the girls are going for the garments and all. Anyhow, if the rate of tax is 16% on the selling price, on selling price 16% tax is levied. So find the final amount. So no problem. Here the marked price of the mobile is this. I said to you, and discount given to you 7%. Therefore SP you can find out when the marked price and the discount is given to you. Previous lesson you have learned how to find out SP. There is a formula, SP is equal to 1 minus D. D is the discount percentage by 100 into MP. From there you can find out. Otherwise you find out the discount amount, 7% of it you find out and subtract from here. It's all the same. If you can put in a formula, that's more easier. So 1 minus 7 by 100, that is 93 by 100 is equal to into 45,000. 93 by 100 into 45,000 will be 93 into 450, which will become 41,850. SP will become this. And tax is levied on XP, here it is said. So 16% on SP the tax is 16% of this. So 16% of this will be the tax amount. So if you calculate, it will become 6,696. 6,696, 16 by 100 into this. This will go with 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 25s are 25 will go with this. That will become 1,674. 4 into 1,674 will be 6,696. This will be your tax amount. Final amount will be what? Final amount always will be that on tax, on SP only tax was levied. So SP was this only. SP was this only. This is 41,850. So 41,850 plus the tax amount. If you add it, you will find 48,546. That will be the answer. I hope you understood. Solve remaining sums. Doubt if any, then you ask me.